Public School, Kandargaon, Intercity Mind Science Club. Today, we know that air is present around us, but in that air, some properties has air. Like that way, air has weight and air has no color and no shape. Today, we will identify this one property, that is the air occupied space. Let's start the procedure. First, materials are required for this experiment. One beaker, in that water, and one half cut of bottle and one gloves. Let's start the procedure. First, take a bottle and one hand gloves tied up to the top of the bottle, like that way. Then pressurely dip this bottle into the beaker. See. You can observe here what happened. When we press this bottle into the water, it means some air is present in that bottle. म्हणजेच याचा अर्थ असा की आपण जेव्हा प्रेस करताना बॉटल याच्यामध्ये थोड्या प्रमाणामध्ये एअर प्रेझेंट होते. बट व्हेन वी प्रेस दॅट बॉटल इनटू द वॉटर, air push that water and air it goes into the hand gloves and hand gloves stand straight. It means we can say here air present means air occupies the space. Now we will see some applications of that air occupies the space. First application is when a balloon filled with air, it becomes bigger in size. It means air occupies the space. म्हणजेच यामध्ये जेव्हा आपण फुगा तोंडामध्ये धरून आपल्या तोंडातील हवा त्या फुग्यामध्ये घालत असतो, त्याच वेळेस जी हवा त्या फुग्यामध्ये जात असते, तर ज्या ठिकाणी त्या एअरला स्पेस आहे तिथे ते एअर स्पेस ऑक्युपाय करते. म्हणजेच काय की याच्यामध्ये जेव्हा आपण ब्लो करतो, फुगा बलून ब्लो करतो, त्यावेळेस या बलूनची साईज वाढत जाते. थँक्यू.